Sustainability is at the core of our business. We couldn't have a vegan or a plant-based option without considering what our packaging is like.
Food packaging is very important because it's a first impression of your interaction with the customer.
It's really important that businesses think about the branding and the marketing of the packaging. It's the way we can kind of continue to grow our brand in somebody's home.
The product has to be durable, it needs to retain heat, and it shouldn't compromise customer experience.
I think it's really good that Uber Eats has a platform for finding sustainable packaging.
Uber Eats team was very helpful in terms of advising on technical profile of packaging suppliers that we're dealing with.
The customers themselves are demanding change. That's why it's so important that we be a leader in that space.
If we keep doing it, it will become a norm. And if you make something a norm, it becomes an industry standard, and then it can make a real impact.
There's a lot of power in the actual supplier's hands. If you're proud of your food, why wouldn't you want to be proud of your packaging as well?